most humbly express and extend the warm felicitations and greetings from my boss, your own servant leader, the only governor of Rivers State, Sir Amopu Senebo, Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-ROS. Like has been said here, we all know that God at this time has chosen to bless us with a youth as governor of Rivers State. This is one man who has at every point shown that he believes in the values of the youth, the strength of youth, and gender equality. Of course, this is expressed in the governance of Rivers State, political appointments in Rivers State, even the only speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly is also a youth. This government is surrounded by youths who are very resourceful and are contributing immensely to governance and development of Rivers State. We have commissioners who are youth ambassadors, large percentage of executive chairmen and vice chairmen, almost 80% are youth ambassadors in their prime. Councillors are youths. Therefore, this goes a long way to show that the governor is very, very youth-friendly. Further to that, the governor is investing in programs and projects and policies that intend to showcase the raw talent of Rivers youths and empower our youth meaningfully. Across various tertiary institutions, there is scholarship for deserving youths who are hardworking, currently ongoing and sponsored by Rivers State government. There is also skill acquisition programs across various fields that are being sponsored by Rivers State government, including very meaningful projects that Rivers people and our youth are benefiting directly. And the result of this is to the extent that crime rate in Rivers State has dropped very, very well. This is the reason why almost every week you see investors from across the globe visiting Rivers State government with the intention to partner as to bring in foreign investment and development to further engage the youth of Rivers State. So, and of course, this can be seen as one of the reasons why every institution has started writing and bringing their annual events to Rivers State for participation, hosting, partnership. It is only when the state is peaceful that you can see national institutions, organizations, including the National Youth Council of Nigeria, requesting to be hosted in their 60th anniversary by Rivers State government. And to show you that this government is very youth-friendly, the government of His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara quickly accepted to host this 60th anniversary to showcase to Nigerian youths that are assembled from the 36 states and federal capital the rich cultural heritage of our state, the economic opportunities in our state, the investment drive the state has, the various opportunities that you can hap into. And of course, I can see that since you arrived yesterday and today, everybody has been enjoying themselves, going out peacefully without disturbances. So I thank you, Nigerian youths, for coming to Rivers State, and thank you for supporting our son, Ambassador Sukubo, to lead Nigerian youth peacefully. I want to call on the National Youth Council of Nigeria to continually engage peacefully government at all levels, multinational institutions, the National Assembly, to propose youth-friendly legislation for the multinational companies to engage our youth, and also for government to propose programs that will benefit the youth of Rivers State, while also advocating for our youth to desist from crime and criminality, and encourage Nigerian youth to also tap into the skill acquisition opportunities, which is the in thing today across the country of Nigeria. Let me also thank the National Council President and the immediate past chairman of Rivers State Branch, who is the executive chairman, for accepting and resolving their differences peacefully, which has also seen to the successful hosting of this program today. Rivers State is peaceful under His Excellency, and we will not encourage any bickering or crisis. Dear Nigerian youth, we thank you for the honor given to the governor. We thank you for choosing him as beacon of hope and peace. Of course, no other person is more deserving than a man who has reflected in all strata that he is truly Nigeria's peace ambassador. Thank you for finding Rivers State worthy. Thank you for remaining peaceful. Thank you for participating. Thank you for keeping the spirit of National Council alive and celebrating the 60th anniversary. As Rivers State government, we assure you that we will continue to partner with you to support your programs and policies that will empower Nigerian youth in Rivers State and across Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you all.
I'm delighted today, as your own son, the son of the soil, of which I'm standing before the entire youth of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to give my speech on the 60th anniversary celebration of existence of the National Youth Council of Nigeria. Today is being hosted by the Executive Governor of Rivers State, who have shown love and unity among the young people of this great country, Nigeria. The National Youth Council of Nigeria was established in 1964 by the Act of Parliament to champion, galvanize, and also coordinate, speak for the young people of this great country, Nigeria. Today, I am the president of the organization. I use the platform of Rivers State to contest that office. When I met as the president of this National Youth Council of Nigeria, 2018, there were so many crises the council passed through until finally 2021 the Nigerian youth decided to put their sword and said we must speak in one voice, and I became undisputed president of the National Youth Council of Nigeria. Since that inception to today, my state government has never officially welcomed me as a Rivers son. But today, I'm telling every Rivers sons and daughter, the executive governor of Rivers State, find me worthy to say you are our son. We must host you as the president of the National Youth Council of Nigeria. His Excellency, it's like a dream to me as a Rivers son. I have barely 10 months to leave office as a Rivers son. But today, God has answered my prayer through the governor of Rivers State to honor their own son, Ambassador Fubara Loyalists.
Jesus, you have done it again. Jesus,
this note, we are today celebrating young people that are doing well in this our great country, that are passed through the young stage to now an adult stage. Again, let me send this message to the governor of Rivers State. For him to accept the entire youth of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to be hosted here in Rivers State for this celebration, and also find 4 of our own, the Obiakpo Local Government Council Chairman, the Eleme Local Government Chairman, Opopo Nkoro Local Council Chairman, and the Honorable Commissioner for Youth Development Rivers State.
Well, I want to officially thank the President of the National Youth Council of Nigeria for bringing this event to his home state, Rivers State. I also want to thank the governor, our leader, the most celebrated governor in Nigeria, who is our governor, Siminalayi Joseph Fubara, GSSROS. I want also to thank the Chief of Staff, Government House, who has brought peace between me and my brother, Sukubo Saraibu. But I want to say this event is shooting at Rivers State. Sukubo, between now and Monday, you will start having crisis from the other side. I hope you know that. And you'll be able to stand firm. Why I'm where I am today? Because I stood firm. I want to tell our leaders, those who are youth leaders, it is better to stand firm and to be dancing here and there. That is the problem we're having. Most of you see the truth. You repeat to say this is the truth. It's hard to stand on the other side. I know they will start fighting you, but you have my 100% support. No one man can own Nigeria. So you have my support. For our colleagues, Rivers State is very peaceful. His governor of Rivers State, His Excellency the Governor, is doing his best to protect the lives and property of Rivers people. And you can attest that 3 of us who are played youth council politics are local government chairmen. That shows that the governor is a good man. So for those of you who are from Rivers State, tell your governor to emulate from Siminalayi Joseph Fubara, because he's a man that loves young people. But rest assured, I will stay in Rivers State. You'll be comfortable, your security